A is for apple, red and sweet, a healthy fruit that you can eat. B is for ball, round and bouncy, rolling faster, flying fancy. C is for cat, soft and furry, runs so fast and always in a hurry. D is for dog, loyal and fun, he loves to play and loves to run. E is for elephant, big and gray, with a trunk that swings all day. F is for fish that swims in sea, colorful, shiny, and full of glee. G is for goat with beard and horn, jumping in fields since he was born. H is for hat, on your head it goes, in sun or rain or when it snows. I is for ice cream, yum and cold, in a cone or a cup, it's always gold. J is for jug with the juice to pour, refreshing drinks and always more. K is for kite, flying high, dancing freely in the sky. L is for lion, king of land, with a mighty roar, strong and grand. M is for moon, shining bright, glowing gently through the night. N is for nest up on the tree, a cozy home for chicks to be. O is for owl, wise and white, wakes up late and hoots at night. P is for penguin, black and white, waddles around with pure delight. Q is for queen with a golden crown, rules the castle in her royal gown. R is for rainbow, colors wide, after the rain it stands with pride. S is for sun, so warm and bright, giving us day with golden light. T is for tiger, striped and strong, he runs in jungles all day long. U is for umbrella in the rain, keeps us dry again and again.